Hello guys, this is Vysh. The latest update 2 hours back, the press release of National Testing Agency has come. What you see on screen is the guidelines which was issued earlier today, and this will be like a few pointers. Detailed list has come, so that I will show you. So UPSC students also can watch that because JEE Main and Neet Jee, as per these states, are going to be conducted with all the precautions and all the safety environment. So the protocol will be 99% matching with what will happen for UPSC also. So you students also can watch so that you will understand what and how it is going to be conducted. So exam will happen as per scheduled. This is the today's latest update. 1st to 6th September will be JEE Main and Neet UG exam 13 September. And I think 27th September there is JEE Advanced also. So that is how the schedule is as of now. And this picture I'll explain in the coming slides. So personalities from across the globe were tweeting it, especially from India, chief ministers, the MPs like Subramanian Swamy 2 days back, Shashi Tharoor, and today even I think Sonu Sood has tweeted about it. So overall requests were there, but their press release have mentioned this as well. They have told like postponement request has been seen, but it is not going to be changed. So before going to the press release, the guidelines which they issued in the evening was thermal screening mandatory at entry points, separate rooms for candidates above normal temperature. Candidates must self-declare that they are not COVID positive. Each student has to wear mask, gloves, and carry sanitizer. Okay. No water dispenser allowed at exam center. Candidate must maintain 6 feet. So this was like a preliminary thing which in the evening they did. Now latest one with same things they have given in a very detailed way. So this is the press release. So because it's not very clear, I have just noted down all the points you can see here. So JEE Neet 2020 exams to take place as scheduled in September, confirms NTA amid postponement request. Okay, all the request has been seen, but they are not considering as of now. So NTA also ensures that more than 99% of candidates get their first choice of center cities for both these exams. In view of the academic interest of the students, these exams are now scheduled to be held as follows. Okay, 1st to 6th September, for which admit card is already issued, and Neet UG on 13 September admit card will be issued. Okay, the Supreme Court, 1 week before, when 11 students from 11 different states already took it up to Supreme Court level, it was rejected. Okay, the plea was rejected, and they told that we find that there is absolutely no justification in the prayer mode for postponement of the examination in question relating to Neet UGC as well as JEE. Okay, similarly UPSC also students were doing petitions and all those things, and we told that time itself it will not, if Supreme Court have told like this, and if they are ready to take all the precautions and all these things, operating procedures, it will happen. That's what we also told, and that is what is going to happen. So additionally, in case of JEE Main, the number of shift has been increased from earlier 8 to 12, and the number of candidate per shift has been reduced from earlier 1.32 lakh to 85,000. So different slots will be there. It's not like one time like UPSC exam used to happen. Like that's about UPSC. I'm telling about NEET now. It will happen in different slots. Number of students per slot will be different, and the arrival time will be different. Everything will be different. Okay. So in order to ensure proper social distancing inside the exam hall, the candidate will be seated in alternate seats in case of JEE Main and NEET, and the number of candidates per room has been reduced from earlier 24 to 12. Okay, so only 12 students per room for NEET and JEE. Students are instructed to carry a personal bottle of water and hand sanitizer to the exam center as well as maintain social distancing. Apart from these items, only the admit card will be allowed inside the examination center. Okay, so 3 things: bottle of water, hand sanitizer, and admit card. And the mask. However, the candidate will be required to remove the mask worn by him or her from home. Okay, like obviously when you go to the exam hall, you will be having something. You have to remove that and then use the mask provided at exam center only. To avoid crowd at the examination center entrance due to candidates reaching together, they will be given staggered time slots for reporting. Okay, like if your exam is at 9 o'clock, some roll numbers will be asked to come at 8 o'clock, some at 7 o'clock, some at 8:30. So it will be like you will not be crowded. You should not be forming the crowd there. Then the staggering of time slots will be done to ensure uniform distribution of candidates across rooms during entry at the examination center. For ensuring social distancing outside the examination hall, the entry and exit of candidates has been staggered. Adequate arrangements has also been made outside the examination centers to enable candidates stand with adequate social distancing while waiting. Candidates have also been issued advisory guiding them about do's and don'ts for social distancing. So maybe the students who are giving this, they have got it along with their admit card, or maybe they will get some instructions through email or however. So I don't know how they are communicating it, but candidates will be issued the guidelines. Okay, has already been issued. That's what they're telling. And NTA has also written to the state governments to extend support in local movement of the candidates so that they are able to reach their examination center on time. Okay, so you have your admit card, that is like your travel pass also on that day. Okay, that will there will be instructions that you have to, based on what you have received, you will have to follow. And UPSC students also will get all these instructions depending on how they are going to manage it by September 10th or 15th. Okay, and the NTA ensures all candidates a safer environment for test and solicits cooperation from the candidates and their parents in following the standard operating procedure. Okay, so it's like not like government alone can do it. If you have to conduct something, you people also have to coordinate according to that. The procedures whatever is given has to be followed, and reach exam center on your time, give your exam, and come outside the exam hall. Okay. And then about this thing, this is the previous video which I made where the letter was written, and detailedly it was written like it should be postponed till Diwali, I think November 15th or something, the date. And these are different tweets. I've already shown this video, you can see in my channel already. 2 days back it was uploaded. All these tweets I have explained. This is the 13 pointers which he gave, where beautifully he had explained all the things because of floods and pandemic and all those things. But Education Ministry has not considered as of now. And today is August 25. Exam is on September 1. So if any change has to happen, it has to happen in the next 2 days or 3 days maximum, which I don't think it will happen, because today this decision was made after a meeting of the ministry level people. Okay, so about UPSC, you will know by September 10th anyway, and you have to know that they will do accordingly only, because the number of students for UPSC will be obviously higher. Okay, it's not like this 1 lakh or 3 lakh or whatever, it will be higher. So we'll see how it happens. About the postponement merged and all, this is what will happen. If prelims 2020 is postponed, 2021 also will be postponed. If merged, the toughness level and cutoff of that will be high, the next year's exam. Okay, so these are just things we can tell you based on how it is. Like, we don't want it to happen now, or we don't want it to happen later. We are not taking any sides or stands. Whatever is comfortable for students, that is what should happen ideally. So we'll see to it what the update comes. As of now, they have done in this lockdown time the 2019 result they published, the cutoff marks they published, the answer key they published, and the marks of the students they told they will publish it after September 7th. That is what is mentioned in the official UPSC website. You can go and check it there. Okay. And about UPSC students now, you can daily study. Your studies will not be hampered. You can study from Vysh's channel also. Free video lectures are there for everything. So we are not charging anything for that. Entire thing is free. Only test series will be paid. That you can contact us. Prelims is only open now. Means we have kept on hold because the situation is like this. We have kept the entire thing on hold. But prelims will happen, and you can simply subscribe to the channel and enjoy the free lectures. Okay, entire thing is kept for free. There is nothing which you will not have to subscribe separately. Okay, like students ask that also, is there some separate videos which I am missing or something? History, geography, polity, economy, everything has separate playlist, and videos will come out every day from now. Okay, we have increased the video count also as of now, so you can go and watch that. Okay, and this press release is entirely taken from the website. If you want to read it again, you can go to the NTA website. Simply in Google type NTA this thing, you will see the first latest one. Okay, this is the same attachment which I taken. If you click on this, it will take you to this PDF. This is what I explained to you now. Okay, similarly UPSC website also you can keep checking here, the exam center, the number of students, the timing, everything they have given here. Okay, so you can check here. Details personally for the students would have already got, but this is a general PDF for that. Okay, so this is from where I have taken. And about the main series which students were asking, GS2 is done. GS2 I'll be doing it tonight, and by tomorrow it will be available. Okay, so this one is appreciated by students, so you can also go and watch it if you are a serious UPSC aspirant. Okay, all the students have given excellent feedback, so keep supporting us, and we'll see to it that your entire UPSC preparation is free. Okay, so I'll come up with any more updates if it comes. Till then, enjoy your learning. Thank you and have a nice day.